Hi guys, it's your girl Kia P and welcome to part 11 of my home reno. Today we're going to be installing this fireplace that I got off of Amazon. Y'all, this is going to be a game changer for my living room. So come with me as I install it. Here I'm unboxing it, getting it ready to unscrew the glass lid off the top and get ready to install it on the wall. This fireplace can be reset in the wall, or you can hang it directly just on the wall. So today I'm going to hang it directly on the wall, and later I'm going to have it reset in once I get someone to come in and do the holes and all of the good stuff that needs to be done. But you're still going to get a good look and a good ambiance in the room once it is completed. Y'all, this was super adorable. I got it off of Amazon for roughly about $169. This is a smart fireplace. It comes with everything that you need with crystals, or you can use the log. It's super simple to install. And yeah, I thought that I would need 2 people to do it, but I did it all by myself. So here I am unscrewing the screws to release the glass top. You want to be super careful so that you don't crack it or don't break the glass top that comes off the top. And here I am gently trying to figure out how it releases, and I finally got it. And I'm going to remove it and set the glass to the side. As you can see, as I said, it comes with everything you need on the inside. So here I am removing all of the contents from inside of the fireplace. I'm removing the log because I'm not going to use that. I'm going to do the crystals instead. So I'm going to remove it and get everything prepared to be mounted on the wall. Here is the contents of everything that you need. It gives you plenty enough crystals, but I did add a few extra, and the mound is attached right onto the fireplace. So here I am taking the mound bracket off so that I can position it on the wall and then just hook it right onto the mound. Your girl is super focused, and I am determined to get this done. Finally, I got all of the screws off, and I'm trying to figure out how to remove the bracket. Then I noticed that it's a screw on the end that needs to come off, and then I'm going to remove that and then go ahead and get the bracket off. There's the screw on the end, and I'm removing the one on the other end. And I had to read the instructions again, doing my measurements to make sure that I position it on the wall correctly. And this is how I was able to get my screws for the bracket straight and aligned and leveled. I used a piece of tape as a guide, taped it to the bracket, and then taped the tape to the wall so that the holes will be nice, straight, and seamless and line up perfectly with the bracket. Here I am making sure that it is leveled, checking for the straightness of it before I go in and drill. Everything looks pretty good. And here I am putting in the brackets so that I can screw in the screws. And then the wall mount will be getting screwed in next. Here I am screwing in the wall mount, and then I am going to hook the fireplace onto the mount. Real simple, real easy, and plug it up and play. That's pretty much how it works. as I finished up screwing in the mound bracket to mount the fireplace, just want to let you know this is an affordable way to add a fireplace to your home. It heats up and it lights up and it sets a really nice ambiance. And here is the finished look. It changed in so many different colors, giving you an atmosphere of your choice, and it's super simple to install. It added a great touch to the living room and a feel of luxury, and I really enjoy having it in the space. So stay tuned as we continue this reno. Thanks for watching.